Bukod pa dito, we cannot take it exclusively kasi tatawid pa ito doon sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara.
Kaya nga.
If they are really going to... Di ba, yung parang the Filipino loves the underdog. Di ba, na kung isipin mo, nakakulong, nasa The Hague yung tatay, yung nakaharap ng impeachment trial dito. Ano ba yun? They can play the victim card here?
That's a fantastic question that I'd love to answer. The problem kasi, I think the problem or the challenge facing the pro-Duterte side is what we call, magle-lecture naman itong si Ginoong Herman.
Sige nga!
Ang tawag ko natin dyan ay Homeric flaw. That which makes you great also causes your setback in this case. Kasi what made the Duterte brand so great is that they were just so bulletproof, airtight. Nothing would stick. They're shoot from the hip, no prisoners taken, all action, full throttle all the time. That's the Duterte brand. And for that to suddenly be shifted or pivoted to biktima, ang hirap ng transition. May whiplash. At ang problema pa sa victim card para sa mga Duterte, if it's a chess game, every move may sagot. Pag pinakita mo yung kawawa naman ang dating Pangulo, inaresto ng kabigla-biglaan, the answer to that would be, paano naman, buti nga siya inaresto, whether may warrant or wala, buti siya inaresto. Paano yung mga biktima, binaril na lang. So at every turn, there's an answer to it.
So
this is the plane that kidnapped my father. Ang isasagot dyan, this is the hearse that drove the 9-year-old to the cemetery. So it's hard to play that victim card if you're on the Duterte side. I would actually double down on the toughness. Sa totoo lang, but I don't want to give free advice.
Oo nga, bayaran niyo ako. Pumapatak ang metro.
Oo. Pero yung on the local front naman, that's si Duterte, yung sa Davao, 'di ba nagkakagulo na rin daw sa Davao, may pending supposedly na search warrant para yung mga bahay, si Pulong, si Baste, si Kitty, nagsasampa na sila ng mga kaso. Is this also part of a strategy? I mean, I guess initially they really want their father to come back, no? Pero parang malabo mangyayari yon. Pero yung brand ng Duterte na ma-extend ng mahabang buhay, nakikita mo pa ba yon?
It has to at least go through some pivots and they have to make the hard decision, like I said. Mag-hardline decision na tayo ngayon. Are we going to portray him as the victim or are we going to portray him as a master strategist, that he is still in control, na nagpahuli siya dahil alam niya that there is something procedurally wrong dun sa pagkakahuli at siya'y ma-vindicate in the end. But Tatay Digong, being the master chess game super strategist, knew this all along, and what a guy, what a hero. Yun, sobrang consistent yun sa Duterte brand. So they have to decide. I think if I were part of their messaging team, I would have to decide, make a hard time decision. Ano ba? Victim card ba tayo o Tatay Digong knows something we don't and he holds the final ace? Aalasan niya, and in the end, mapapahiya ang ICC, mapapahiya ang Marcos administration. Let's rally behind that.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.